everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So what's going on, everybody? Yes, I'm ready to roll. Got me a package. Yes. Ordered me some makeup products. So I ordered something from Sephora the other day. And of course I got some things on sale. So let's see. Love the Sephora box. Only Sephora. So let's see. Isn't that a nice sound? Just kidding. And then of course the little Sephora bag. So let's see. Well, I ordered my favorite lipstick. I don't know what happened to it. It's Huda Beauty. It's a liquid matte, and this is the color Trendsetters, and this is like in their permanent collection. So I mean, it's a really nice nude lipstick. I love it. It's really literally my favorite go-to. What is this? What did I order? Okay, so I ordered some Marc Jacobs. I have an eyeliner from him, and yeah, I like the eyeliners from Marc Jacobs. They go on really nice. This is the color Glitter Glam. It's a Glitter Glam gel. So let's see what it looks like. And as usual, I like to keep the box. I always keep my products in the box. Look, everything still in the box. I don't know why. It's a little fetish of mine. Like the fact of opening up new things. I don't know. It's weird. I know. Okay, so this is the color. Looks like a gold color. Ah, right. That's right. This was on sale. That's why I got it. It was €7. It's like of a gold color, so it's really nice. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty. For €7 from Marc Jacobs. Come on now. So, can never get enough of those guys. So the next thing I have, yes, I had a long time ago, a while ago, I had gotten a lipstick sample from Marc Jacobs, and I absolutely love this color. I mean, I think I used it up in a week, and so finally I decided to order it just to have some variety. I mean, I got a lot of lipsticks, but I don't know, for some reason my nude lipsticks, they go really quick. I mean, those like really my favorite. I'm like a nude lipstick person, freak. So let's see if I can get up in there. I'm tearing the box. Yes. So this is a really nice color. As you see, the packaging is really nice. Looks very elegant. And I don't know what this button is for. I guess it's just for style. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's like a magnet. Look, check it out. It's like a magnet. Okay, so very nice packaging. And this is the color. Well, this is not really a nude. It's more like a rose gold. Yeah. But it's beautiful. It's a really nice rose gold matte. So, yes, I like that. Very nice. Something different. Not always MAC and Urban Decay. Oh, those are my favorite. Okay, so it's not a big package that I ordered. I got some samples. This is a vitamin C cream. From Belief. I don't know, I've never heard of them. And this is Wishful Glow. Yo Glow. Okay, Eczema Scrub. Some free packaging or free samples. And then I've got it looks like points. Okay. Anywho, and I got a Natascha Denona, yes, but this time I didn't spend €100 for it. This one was pretty reasonable. It was €60. I personally think it's okay to spend 60, even though that's still a lot. But I mean, Natascha stuff is good. So, but anything over that, that is just crazy. I mean, I did buy a palette from her, and I paid €100 for it. So it looks like this. Zendo. I don't know how old this palette is, but nice packaging, as you see. And the colors. Oh, awesome. I see some spots there. I don't know. Anywho, these are the colors, and yes, I'm excited to get started. Yeah. So anywho, guys, that was my opening, and now I'm going to do my tutorial. And of course, I'm going to use my Natascha Denona palette. So stick around. See you in a bit.